That's the beauty of handmade ceramics. They condense a person's thoughts and ideals into a vessel to some degree. After all, it took their hands, their might, and their intellect to create such an object. And here I am drinking from a cup, grasping my fingers around a hand-pulled handle, with grooves left purposefully in it by the fingertips of my friend. The lip too was shaped between fingers, and there are throwing rings left travelling up the mug that have captured the motion of the pot being thrown forever, or at least until the day it's accidentally smashed. When a demise does occur, I'm always filled with sorrow. At least I had some pleasant moments with them, but there are a number of pots I tell myself I shouldn't even use, as I'd be too upset if they broke. Old pots, epitaphs of times past, ideas faded, or built upon. These are a few words from my first book, By My Hands, A Potter's Apprenticeship. This book is my story through clay in 4 parts, where I discover clay, where I find my voice, where I hone my craft, and where I see the world. By My Hands will publish in September this year, and is available to pre-order now.